Hello friends, peace be upon you all. If you want to blend two images together in Photoshop, so we use the blend mode. So, if I place an image here, which is an image of a fire, and now, if you want to blend it, blend refers to how layers interact with each other, creating various visual effects. So press Alt plus Shift plus S. So you'll see here that the blend mode screen has been set. And now you can adjust this image wherever you want. And if you want to mask out some part of the image, so you're going to create a mask on this layer. Next we'll take the brush tool here. Photoshop blend modes control how layers interact with each other, creating various visual effects. It is important that your foreground color is black. This way you can mask out some parts of the image. We also use another method. The second method is better, but has a drawback, as we will select these two images. Then go to Edit, Auto Blend Layers. Here we cannot use this function, for a reason. We need to rasterize our layer. That is, both layers must be rasterized. Now go to Edit, then Auto Blend Layers. Here we will check the Stack Images and click on OK. So, this image will blend with the background. Now, there is a drawback to this. That is, you select the mask here. This means we cannot mask out some extra parts of the image. Suppose this area that is inside the brush. We want to mask this out. But this mask won't come off. So, the image is blended. But the extras we want to delete, we can't delete it. Instead of this method, if we use the blend mode, the shortcut for screen blend mode is Alt plus Shift plus S. This will blend the image. Now, we can adjust this image as we wish. And, if we want to delete a specific area from the image, here we create a mask on the layer. We will take the brush tool. We'll keep the blend mode for the brush at normal. Make sure the foreground color is black. And now we can mask out this specific area. All the blending options have their advantages. Blend mode screen lightens the image, often used to simulate light shining on the image. Here you can see that the background color of the fire image is black. And we use the screen to blend the black color and any image that has a white background color. For this we use the blend mode, multiply. Multiply darkens the image, often used to simulate printing with ink, as it is in front of a background image. Now we place an image here, whose background color is white. We will rasterize this layer. Here we will press Alt plus Shift plus M. This shortcut is for the multiply blend mode. So you can see that its blend mode is multiply. If you want to enhance it more, press Ctrl plus L to open the levels adjustment. Here you can adjust and enhance it to your liking. Now, whether you want to make it more black or less black, it's your choice. Click OK after final adjustments. We don't need to mask out or delete anything in this image. Use blend modes to blend images. And shortcut keys will save you time. Blend modes determine how the colors of a top layer combine with the colors of the layer below. You will like this video regarding blending mode shortcuts. For screen, Shift plus Alt plus S. For multiply, Shift plus Alt plus M. For overlay, Shift plus Alt plus O. For color, Shift plus Alt plus C. It's mean press the corresponding letter for the desired blend mode. I hope you like this video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.